We're not finished yet. Disrespectful. Welcome. Hello guys, and today we have the Toshiba thing right here, and we are going to open it up. Sponsored by Its Gmans. Anyways, let's open this thing up right now, and I got it in the secret compartment. Find it. It'll be in this. Boom. Right there, guys. And this perfectly fits that hard drive. So, it was just waiting there, so let's get to it. Guys, what's happening is we cannot actually unscrew this. If you have any ideas for future videos, besides this one where we're going to smash and probably use this again, the drive.
Oh my gosh, every single time. We're trying to make a professional video, and now we're gonna end up smashing it with a freaking hammer.
But this is why you guys subscribe to Tech Enthusiasts, because it's definitely a tech channel that does only technology reviews. Because this right here is eating it. And these are the pins on it.
Try not to cringe.
Oh, this will be forever used. And it's 7 terabyte right here, so it's really expensive.
No, that's 6 terabyte.
Oh, 6 terabyte only. Okay, so guys, this is a 6 terabyte, and we just bended it, and completely new from what, Best Buy or
Toshiba.
Price?
It's Toshiba, but we got it from Price.
Toshiba right here. As you can see, you can look at that. Anyways, hey guys, we're outside now.
We're going to smash this 6 terabyte hard drive. Can you say any last words to it? Look at this. 6 terabytes? It's not 6 terabytes. We're gonna screw it up! So guys, here we are. It's damaged a little bit, but
whoa! This is the death of it. Oh!
Frickin' so strong. Why to buy one of these right now? Look at that, guys. That's not a lot of damage right there. You see that? That's definitely not bent.
not a lot of damage, kids.
It's not bent yet.
We're not done with it.
Okay.
Come on, guys.
Hello, fellow viewers. Please try not to do this at home. Subscribe to ZFT and Its Gmans actual channels. And this is Tech Enthusiast right here. We're getting ready because we gotta perform the act. So. Cut. Guys, look at that. Alright, so it is an extremely damaged condition and it's leaking out particles of some sort. Probably a good idea to put that on your hand.
Yeah, I think it's part of the disc.
Yeah.
Anyway, let's go get a bigger hammer because that's.
Here we go. Time.
Wait, let's both do a flat shot. We'll both do a.
It's coming. Aftermath, guys. Look at that. Oh god, destroyed. There's shards of glass everywhere. It's sharp. It's from the CD inside, or the disc. The disc. Sorry, guys. Oh, this is how to open your drive, part 1. Yeah, how to replace the disc inside of it, and we're gonna have ZFD take a shot and basically just mess this thing stay up. Yeah. So send us your drives if you want to repair. It's a good idea. No, we can't let him do that. All right. Oh. Oh. Is it free? Yeah. Oh. And we have wreckage all around. But we have to clean this up so the cars do not get look at that. That's some serious damage there. So yeah. How do you feel about this?
We should probably not do this again. This was really expensive. Can you we want to get sponsored so we can afford this kind of stuff. But we do like doing it. And we know you like it too, those wacky slow motions. Anyway, let's just leave it into a pile and then sort of just like mush it into a powder.
The final piece. Oh, frick! Oh, frick! One more. We're mining Fortnite. Don't you love it? Oh! We got brick. Guys, we got our first brick. That's equivalent to like 2. We can make like a stair. Like 1 stair. Smash subscribe button for more content. Quality content from tech enthusiasts. Be sure to hit that like button if you want to see more destruction, if you want to watch more tech videos, and of course, if you want to be cool. And if you don't subscribe, we will literally take all of your cookies, you loser.